In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project using a template in Todoist. Whether you're just getting started with Todoist or you've been using it for a while, templates are a great way to save time and keep your projects consistent and organized. First, make sure you're logged into your Todoist account and that you can see your list of projects on the left-hand side of the screen. This is usually where all of your existing projects are listed, like work, personal, or any custom projects you've created before. To begin creating a new project from a template, move your cursor over to the Projects section. Look for the small plus sign that appears near your projects list. This plus sign is the button you'll use to add a brand new project. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. When you click it, Todoist will open a small window or panel where you can normally name a new project. Choose a color and decide where it should live in your project list. But since we want to use a template, we're not going to start from scratch here. In that same panel, you should see an option labeled Browse Templates. This is the key feature that lets you base your new project on a pre-made structure instead of building everything manually. Click on Browse Templates. After clicking, Todoist will take you to the template gallery. Here, you'll see different categories of templates like productivity, work, personal, or planning. Each template typically comes with pre-filled tasks, sections, and sometimes due dates that match a specific use case, such as managing a product launch, planning a vacation, or organizing a reading list. From this point, you can look through the available templates, preview the tasks they include, and decide which one best fits the project you want to create. Once you've found a good match, you can select that template and then follow the on-screen prompts to add it as a new project in your workspace. Using templates like this helps you avoid starting from a blank page, and it keeps your workflows consistent over time. If you run similar projects repeatedly, consider using the same template so that every new project follows the same reliable structure.